In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Stockx. If you received an item that arrived damaged, was the wrong product, or has an authentication concern, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to submit a proper refund request so your case can be reviewed quickly. First, head to stockx.com and sign into your account. Make sure you use the same account you used to place the order. If you have more than one login, double check you're in the right one so the order appears correctly. Once you're in, go to your profile, choose buying, and open the specific order you want help with. This page is where your order details live, including the order number you'll need later. It's a good idea to copy that number or keep the page open in a separate tab while you prepare your request. From the order page, click Get Help or Contact Support. You'll be asked to select the issue type. Pick the option that best matches your situation. Damaged item covers things like scuffs, tears, cracked boxes, or defects that weren't disclosed. Wrong item applies if the size, colorway, or model doesn't match your order. Authentication issue is for concerns about the item not matching StockX's verified standards. Choosing the most accurate category helps support route your case to the right team. Next, fill out the form. Include your order number exactly as shown in your account. In the description, explain clearly what's wrong, how you discovered the issue, and any details that will help support understand the problem at a glance. Keep it factual and specific. Mention sizes, styles, or visible flaws where relevant. Photos are very important. Take clear, well-lit pictures that show the full item and close-ups of the problem. Include the box, tags, and any labels if they help illustrate the issue. Use neutral lighting, avoid filters, and make sure the images aren't blurry. If there's damage to packaging, document that too. The goal is to give support everything they need to verify your claim without back and forth. Before you send, review everything one more time to confirm the order number, issue category, and attachments are correct. Then click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation email letting you know your request was received. Response times are typically 24 to 72 hours, though it can vary. Keep an eye on your inbox and spam folder in case support replies with follow-up questions. If they do, respond in the same thread and provide any additional photos or details they request. Don't ship anything back unless support instructs you to. And that's it. By logging in, opening your order, contacting support with the right issue type, and submitting a clear form with strong photos, you'll give your refund request the best chance for a fast resolution.